In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone any website into WordPress on HostPapa with this quick tutorial. We'll guide you through the entire process from setting up your WordPress site to using a plugin that will replicate an entire website effortlessly. By the end, you'll have a live clone of a WordPress site up and running. So let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to head over to your browser and go to the HostPapa dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your hosting needs. Once there, log into your account using your email and password. Obviously, make sure you have access to the account information to prevent any issues with logging in. Okay, moving forward, you'll need to find the section for your hosting plan, and under it, click on My cPanel. This is your control panel for the server, and it's where we'll manage our WordPress installation. Now that we're in cPanel, it's time to install WordPress. Scroll down until you find the Soft Oculus Apps Installer section. It's a bit of a scroll, but you can't miss it. Click on the WordPress icon, and then click on Install Now. This tool simplifies installations, so it's your best friend. When prompted, choose your domain from the dropdown and don't forget to fill in your preferred site name, along with your new WordPress username and a secure password. Once you've set all that up, go ahead and click install and wait for the process to complete. Now that WordPress is installed, it's time to get into your WordPress dashboard. Head over to your browser and type in your domain.com/wwp-admin. This is the route to your WordPress login page. Use the credentials you set up earlier to log in and access the backend of your site. You should see the WordPress dashboard pop right up once you're logged in. Our next step is to install a website cloning plugin. In your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the plugins section and click on Add New. In the search bar, type in WP Clone, Duplicator, or All-in-One WP Migration. Each of these plugins is designed to help with website migrations and cloning, so pick the one that suits your comfort level. Once you've made your choice, install and activate the plugin. With the plugin activated, the next task is to clone the website. If you're cloning from another WordPress site, start by exporting the original site using the Duplicator or All-in-One WP Migration plugin on the original site. Then, on your new WordPress setup on HostPapa, go to the same plugin you installed and click Import. Select and upload the exported file, and then click on Restore to bring in the cloned content. Finally, once it's all imported, it's time to customize. Go to Appearance, navigate to Themes or Elementor if you have it installed, and here is where you can edit text, images, and layout to fit your desired design. After making the necessary changes, preview your site to ensure all the pages work as expected, and once you're satisfied, click either Update or Publish. Voila! Your clone site should now be live on HostPapa WordPress when you visit your domain name, and that's it. Your website clone is up and ready to captivate your audience.